Right now, ChatGPT is answering millions of questions simultaneously. But here is what most executives do not know: it is not looking anything up, it is predicting. And that single insight changes how you use every AI tool in your business. An LLM, a large language model, has processed almost everything humans have ever written: books, articles, scientific papers, code, conversations. From all of that text, it learned the statistical patterns of how words and ideas follow each other. When you ask it a question, it does not search a database. It predicts the most likely next word, then the next, then the next. That is it. Extraordinarily sophisticated prediction at enormous scale. The architecture that made this possible is called the transformer. Before it, AI read text word by word, like reading with one eye covered. The transformer reads the whole sentence at once. It understands context the way humans do. That is why it can follow a complex argument, pick up on nuance, and hold a coherent conversation across dozens of exchanges. But here is the risk every executive needs to understand. Because an LLM predicts rather than looks things up, it can confidently state things that are completely wrong. This is called hallucination. A law firm was fined after their AI cited court cases that did not exist. The AI was not lying, it was pattern completing. It generated text that looked exactly like a valid legal citation. Never trust an LLM on facts that require precision without verifying them independently. Three practical things worth knowing. First, LLMs have a training cutoff. They do not know what happened after a certain date. Second, the way you phrase a question changes the answer. The same prompt written two different ways can produce meaningfully different output. Third, LLMs work in units called tokens, roughly 3 to 4 characters each. The more tokens a model can process at once, the more complex the task it can reason about. Knowing these limits makes you a more effective user. LLMs are extraordinary reasoning and language tools, but they are not search engines and they are not infallible. Use them where they excel: drafting, summarizing, reasoning, and generating options. And keep a human in the loop wherever accuracy is non negotiable. That is the difference between a leader who gets real value from AI and one who gets burned by it.